Hi, I'm Robert Lisatz and today I'm going to show you how to make scrambled eggs with stinging nettles.
Yummy!
The first thing you want to do is to remove the leaves from this part here. In order to remove the leaves you need some gloves, because if you don't want to be exposed to pain all the time while you're cooking, I strongly suggest that you use some. So you want to remove just the leaves like this. And you don't need this part here. This is how it looks like when you have finished your job. So these are the leaves we are going to use to cook the scrambled eggs with stinging nettles. And this is the part you don't use because it's really too hard to eat. And I know that in the survival community they use this part to make even cords out of it. But we are hungry and we will focus on this part here. So a very important step here is, if you want to eat stinging nettles, is to remove the small micro stings, and you can do this in several ways. You can just, again, put on your gloves, they should be quality gloves, and you can just, squeeze the whole thing quite a few times, or you can just put the whole thing and wrap it in a rag, like this, and repeat the same thing like this. Oh, I forgot this one. And then it should look like this here. Not bad. So squeeze it really hard. And in this way, you can probably touch this as well without gloves. So let's see if this is true. Yes, no problem at all. So now we have to wash the leaves of the stinging nettles to do our scrambled eggs with stinging nettles. What I like to do is to cut the nettles into smaller pieces, like this here. I like to add an onion to my scrambled eggs with stinging nettles, because the onion gives some extra flavor. And by the way, you can make also tea from stinging nettles, so you have to dry the leaves to make tea, and you can make so many other dishes, for instance also stinging nettle soup, but this is a topic for another video. Oops. First add the onions. The onions have to have a golden or a little bit brown color. And this is just the right time to add the nettle leaves. Now you see that the stinging nettles, the leaves of the stinging nettles have collapsed completely, and this is the time when you want to add the eggs.
Yummy!
Now add some salt and pepper. And if you want to know how to make a dandelion salad the Balkan way, as my grandmother used to make it, click on the video at the end screen or in the first comment or in the video description. And of course, if you want to be a modern day samurai, this means safe, fit and prepared, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.